a county park in Indiana. A few miles off the freeway, I-65. We're south of Indianapolis. And today is day one of about a month vacation. We don't have an end date for sure. And this is the goofiest thing we've ever had to do. It's more than 60 feet to that electric box. And we're not even going to hook up to water. It's just too far. Not for just one night. But otherwise, it's a pretty sight. All the trees. But it sounds like there's a racetrack near here. We didn't know that. But it's a good stop for one night. And hi there. Oh, you don't want to go out? No, you don't. Really? You don't want to go out? You really don't? There. How's that feel? So this is day one, and we'll talk again. This is the morning of day two. We're almost all set to go. Just have to hitch up. It's a pretty nice campground, except for a few things. Number one being how far away the water is from the camper, and the electric, way far away. And then the other thing was that there's a drag track around here, pretty close. But they were done probably by 9 or 9:30, I think. So we're almost set to go. Gonna see if we can hit a cafe before getting on the road. Talk to you later. Hi, today we're at Beach Bend Park Campground. It's in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The amusement park that's connected with this place is closed for the season. But the drag strip it's an oval track, and that's still open. They're doing Harley races today, but they are really short. And unfortunately we needed a 50 amp site, and all the ones available were in the open. So we got a refrigerator on the shaded side. That's the vent, and that's the vent for the refrigerator. We're running both of our air conditioners. We got site 268, and we're only going to stay here one night. And we wanted to get here early so that we can go to the Corvette Museum. So we'll see how that goes. I think that's about it. It's a hot day. I'm sure that while the amusement park is full, or I should say when the music part is open, this place is probably jam-packed. So that's it for today. Catch you later.